So let's continue, and we're going to be looking at plan 3. Here we're going to talk about constant low workforce and subcontracting. Now, constant low workforce of 25 is given here. That's what is given in as a input. So we're going to be using 25 workers here. So let's look at how to go about it. The first thing I'm going to look at is the production requirement. We have calculated that before, and I'm going to sort of use that production requirement. And if for January, the production requirement, if I go back, was going to be 1850, and I'm going to copy that. Now this is the production requirement, and let's make it a little bigger. The next thing I want to look at is the working days per month. The working days per month is given again. I'm going to copy that, which is 22, and I'm going to... The third thing is production hours which are available to me. I've also calculated that before, and I'm going to use that. And you know, it's the same thing. You can calculate it again, whichever you want to, but it is given here. The production hours available here is for 40 people. Here we have 25 people. So we need to make sure to calculate this again. We cannot use what we had before. Okay, just wanted to show you that. The production hours available is going to be 22 days per month times 8 hours per day times the number of workers, which is 25, and that comes to 4440. The actual production, because now we have a different production hours available. Now the actual production is going to be equal to 4400 divided by 5, because you have 5 hours to make a unit. So 880 units can be made with the production hours, or 880 units can be made with 25 people to meet the production requirement of 1850. So now we can make 880, but actually we need 1850. So there is quite a number of units that we need to get, but we don't have enough workers. So what do? We're going to go for subcontract. So subcontract is going to be, the unit subcontracted will be the production requirement minus the actual production that we have used. So that comes to 970. So I'm going to copy and paste the entire thing for till June, and I have now various subcontracted products. So here we have only two costs that we need to worry about. One is the actual cost that we've been talking about all the time, which is the straight time cost. And then the second cost is the subcontract cost. The straight time cost is in hours. So production hours available is 4400 times how much per straight time, if we have been given that, and that is going to be is $4. So we're going to multiply by 4, and that comes to 17,600. Subcontract will be 970 units are subcontracted times The cost of subcontracting is $20 per unit, and that comes to 19,400. I'm going to copy and paste for February to June. Make sure that the numbers are visible. I'm going to find the total cost, which is sum of all these costs. And I'm going to copy and paste. The cost of Plan 3, the total cost of Plan 3 is this 100,000 plus 19,400, which is 119,400. So I'm going to copy that over here for Plan 3 is going to be equal to by 119,400. So now I have all the three costs. Which is the best here? The best is the lowest cost. I'm going to go with Plan 3. So Plan 3 is the option that I would like to go out with. Okay, that's my answer. So you can now see how we have calculated all the three different plans, and then we have taken the best of that. Now, one of the things that we can do also is that I can have a Plan 1 for the first 3 months, and then I can have a constant workforce after that. So there are mixed things that I can do as well. But anyways, in the exam that you might have a mixed one, you might have a straight one like this, but whatever it is, practice this again using this sheet that is provided, which is the online class exercise 7. Practice this, and then you can see how to do this. Make sure that you understand how to do Plan 1, Plan 2, Plan 3. If you know that, then you can always construct Plan 1 and Plan 2 for the same and make it as a Plan 4 or Plan 5, whatever it is. Okay, that means mixed, like we talked about, the mixed plans. Okay,